Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a volatility strategy, alright, that you can use to grow your small account, alright. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or not, alright. With the way I'm about to explain this strategy right now, you should be able to use it to trade, alright, be it a beginner or a pro. Okay, so make sure you listen to the video to the end. Make sure not to skip any part of this video because they are vital informations you don't want to miss. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'll go straight to the point. All right, now here on the indicator window, all right, this is what the indicator is for. It's for telling you when to buy and when to sell in the market. It's as simple as that. All right, so whenever you see this black and green line get to this red line, it means you should get ready to buy. All right, and whenever it gets to this blue line, it means that you should get ready to sell. All right, now this is how you take your sell and your buy entry. Right now, for the buy entry, all right, you want to wait for this green line to cross above the black line on the indicator window here. All right, so once you see this crossing, it means that you should buy. Right now, you don't just buy immediately once this confirmation is being made on the indicator window. Okay, you need one more condition, all right, which is here on the main chart. All right, now here on the main chart, you can see that price was initially below this blue moving average. All right, now once this condition has been given on the indicator window, you want to also confirm it here on the main chart, all right, by allowing the price to break and close above this blue line here on the main chart. All right, so once you get this cross this, you can see that the candlestick here broke above and then close above the blue line. Right, so once you get this kind of confirmation, you buy immediately. All right, you buy immediately. So as you can see, this is where the candlestick close. All right, so you buy here and your stop loss goes below. All right, you place your stop loss anywhere that is conducive for you. You can decide to place it here, or you can decide to place it below this structure. All right, so placing it here, if it's too big for you, then you place it on the second area here, all right, below any structure you see in the market. All right, so that's how you trade using this strategy. All right, and your TP can either be one, you using this you can set your TP at a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, all right, by targeting times 2 of what you are risking, right, times 2 of what you are risking. Or you can use the indicators here, all right, to determine your TP area. Right now, using the indicator, you want to wait for the green line to get to the overbought level, which is our blue line, and then you exit the market. All right, for those of you that are still learning, all right, that those of you that are still new to the game, you can just use the indicator, all right, to take your TP. All right, so once you get the crossing, you wait for the confirmation on the main chart, and then you wait for the green line to get to the overbought level, you exit the market. All right, it's as simple as that. All right, this is one method of taking your entry using this strategy. Okay, so let me show you guys another method, all right, which is more effective. Now you can see that price was going up. All right, now the indicator has shown you that price has gotten to the overbought level. All right, and you have to look for sell entry now. All right, so you can see here that the green line crossed below the black line, which is a sell condition according to what I just explained earlier. Right now, you can see here that price broke below our blue line. All right, then it still went back up. All right, so let's say, for example, you take your sell here, you might have been stopped out in this area. All right, price might have taken you out. So here again is another condition. All right, so your first attempt might have failed, but the second one will still go in your way. All right, now this is another effective way I'm talking about taking the entry. You can mark the most recent structure, you can see. All right, so now once this indicator gets to this level, all right, you don't just go in immediately. You are going to mark the most recent structure, and now what you want to wait for price to do is to come back, break. All right, you're not using the trend line anymore, not using the moving average anymore. All right, you are using the structures, all right, the most recent structures now, okay, which was indicated by the fractals. All right, so you wait for price to break below it before you take your entry, just like we waiting for this price to break above the moving average. Now you want to wait for price to break below the most recent structure before you take your sell. All right, this is another method of taking your entry. So you can see with this method you might have not gotten this loss here. All right, you can see the price still went up. All right, so what you do is that you adjust your line, right? You adjust your line. Once a new structure is formed, you adjust your line, right? And then up to this area. All right, so this is the last area and the last structure price made before returning. All right, so once you mark this area, now you want to wait for price to break and close. All right, so for this one, this is where you are taking your entry from. This is where you'll be taking the sell from. All right, this is where the candlestick close below that structure. All right, so once you get the sell, then your stop loss goes above, right? Your stop loss goes above the most recent structure created by the market, and then you can target times 2 of what you are risking. All right, target times 2 of that, of what you are risking, right? So this is like times 2 of this risks here. All right, so you can use this method, or for the TP you can wait for the green line to get to your oversold level, which is our red line here, and then you exit the market. All right, so that's how you trade with this strategy. Okay, so what I'm expecting from you guys is to back test it, all right, for yourself, and see that the strategy is working for you before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, before you deposit money and start trading. All right, I'm expecting you to back test it, or you demo trade it for like a month or two to get the correct results of the strategy. All right, don't just take my words for it, make sure you do your own research. Okay, so that's it for this one. All right, so before I share with you guys the setup, I want to quickly remind you guys about my offer again. All right, my VIP is totally free. For those of you who want to join, the link is in the description of this video. Okay, you don't need to pay any amount of money to be among my VIP signal group. Okay, so once you join my general Telegram group, the condition for you to join the free VIP group is there. All right, read through it and make sure you don't miss out. Okay, so that is it for that. All right, so for the setup, you want to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you can see that our first indicator here is the fractal. All right, so you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your fractals. All right, so for the fractal, you can use the default setting. Okay, use the default setting, there's no much setting there. So after that, you click on done. Then nextly we have the moving average, right? So for the moving average, you click on the main window plus icon again, you search for your moving average. These are the properties for the moving average, right? The period is 20, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to is close. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. Now the style is color blue, 3 pixel. You click on done. All right, nextly we have the MACD indicator. Right now, for the MACD, you have to click on the main window plus icon, you search for your MACD. Right, these are the properties for the MACD. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to is close. Right, the level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. Now for the style, you are going to make the main, you make it the color of your background, you make it 1 pixel. The signal, you make it color black. All right, and 3 pixel for it. Right, so after that, you click on done. Now nextly we have the envelope. All right, so for the envelope, now by the time you add this MACD, this indicator window one here will be formed. Right, so for you to add the envelope under the MACD, just as you are seeing here, you are going to be clicking on this indicator window one plus icon here, and then you search for your envelope. Right, now for the envelope, the period is 1, shift is 0, deviation we have 6.000, method is simple, method is muted. Right, the apply to is close, the level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. Now the style, the upper band is color blue, 4 pixel, the lower band is color red, 4 pixel, and then you click on done. Lastly, we have the moving average. Right, so you click on the indicator window one plus icon again, you search for your moving average. These are the these are the properties for it. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its first indicators data. Right, the last one here. Then the levels, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. So for the style, you make it color green, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this. All right, so I think that's going to be all for this one. For those of you watching from TikTok, if you want to join the Telegram community, you check my profile bio, you are going to see the link to join. Okay, and if you click on it and it refuses to go through, what you do is that you copy the link and then you paste it on your browser. All right, and then click from there. So that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.